That's okay. Sir, can I request you to stand up, please? And as you walk on stage, can you pass the ball to somebody else? Can I request you guys to walk up on stage with me, please? I have 4 tags over here. May I know your name, ma'am? Santosh. I have 4 tags. You have a free choice to pick up anyone you want, wear it around your neck and sit on any chair that you want. Hi, what's your name, sir? Rohan, anyone? 3 left. Put it around your neck and sit on any chair that you want. Hi, sir. I like your coat. I have 2 remaining. Which one would you choose? Put it around your neck and whichever chair you want. Hi, what's your name? Nadan. Danan. Danan. I have no option for you. Only 1 tag left. Only 1 chair left. But that's unfair to Danan because this act is about choices that we make in life. I think we all are over here because of some good and bad choices that we have made and our life has become how it is today. This act is about choices. You all got choice, but he did not. Like you did not get a choice to choose your tag. You did not get a choice to choose your chair. So can I request all 4 of you to please stand up once? We'll play a little bit of music for 5 seconds. In the 5 seconds, I think just roam around here and there and he can choose the chair he wants to sit on. Fair? Fair? ठीक है ना? We are not playing musical chairs. बचपन से conditioning करिए. कुर्सी देखो और गाना बजता है तो we go round and round. So let's not do that, okay? Can we have some music, please? Darren, you have an option. Please sit on whichever chair you want. जिधर बैठना है. Sit then. Why did you waste my 5 seconds? I thought you wanted an option. Chalo, theek hai. So with the chairs and the tags over here, we have made some decisions. We have a number made over here. The number is 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. ये number मैंने नहीं बनाया. None of you made it. आप लोगों ने. This number just happened. 3, 1, 2, 4. We'll remember this number. 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. After the tags and the chairs, I have 5 envelopes. 1 for each, remaining 1 for me. These envelopes, 4 of them have a color paper in it. कुछ खास नहीं, ऐसे रंग बिरंग का कागज, yellow, blue, green, orange. But one of the envelope has something really important, कीमती. It could be a blank check, it could be a DD, it could be jewelry, it could be something important, financially important. Okay, but I don't want you all to feel कि मैं कोई cheating कर रही हूँ. So, sir, can I have you on stage? Just to check that I'm not cheating. मैं कोई हाथ की सफाई नहीं कर रही हूँ. मुझे आता भी नहीं है वो सब करना. Just to check. Give him the envelopes, please. So mix them up, like up, down. So once they are mixed, it's fair for all of us. Now, अब मुझे भी नहीं पता in what order are those envelopes kept. Correct? This envelope. Were you? You? Yeah, and then you were thinking which one to pick and you chose that one. You could have chosen this one. You're happy with that? You don't want to change? Sure? We'll see. When people are so confident, I get really scared. Okay, so as I said, 4 of them have a color paper. 1 of them has something really important. Suspense. We'll start one by one. Sir, can you open the envelope and show it to us what's inside? And let's remove, usko आधा ही बाहर निकालेंगे. Just half. That's a yellow color paper. So not important. 1 down. Orange color paper is what I see. Put it out. Let's show it to the audience. Not important. It's 3 of us. Ma'am, please go ahead. It matches your outfit, but it's not what we needed. That's a green color paper. I told you to take that one, you did not. Blue color paper. That's okay.
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
You're fine with it. That's because you don't know what's in there. I request you to open and show people what's inside. It's a mic. It's a blank check. Is it a signed blank check? Signed?
Signed blank check.
Axis Bank.
Axis Bank.
With my signature on it. Forget you guys. पास मेरे अकाउंट में पैसे भी है. Okay, I've got the check for the show. Okay, ये आपका भी नहीं होता है सर, but thank you so much. You're so sad of not getting that. Thank you so much. Round of applause for him, please. But you know what? Don't be so disappointed. It's okay. It's more than just the check. There's more than just the check in this side. I want you to remove the paper out, check if the envelope is empty, and leave the envelope on stage down. That's okay. Just leave the envelope on. No, not keep the paper with you. Leave the envelope on stage. लिफाफा नीचे रखेंगे, कागज अपने हाथ में रखेंगे. On the paper, there's a number written. Can you show this number to the audience? 3, 1, 2, 4. Ladies and gentlemen. इतनी कम तालियां. Not impressive. No. I don't demand like this. I will deserve it. I'll do something more. The first decision you guys made when you were on stage is the tag you chose. I think you were very keen on taking number 2. I don't know why, but you were like, मैं यही वाला लूंगी. So the first decision they made were the tags. The second decision they made was the chairs that they are sitting on. They could have sat on any. In fact, you got a special option to change your chair, but you did not. Can I request the 4 of you to stand behind your chairs? So I asked you to change your chair and you did not. You came and stuck to this one. Why?
I was pretty comfortable here only.
मतलब मैं बैठ गया इधर, मैं नहीं चेंज कर रहा. Okay, but you were destined to sit here. You know why? What's the color of the paper in your hand?
Blue.
Blue. What's the color of the paper stuck behind this chair?
Blue.
That is a blue color paper, ladies and gentlemen. But it's not that all of them are blue. You have a green color paper in your hand, and that's a green color chair. Can you all turn your chairs around? That's an orange color paper behind the chair, and that's a yellow color chair behind. Ladies and gentlemen. Is it the afternoon that's bothering us, that we have had lunch and we are a little lazy? Or I think I need to deserve a bit more. Let's do something one more time. Can I request the 4 of you to stand in front of your chairs, please? I know I'm making you guys do a little more fast, but you have to do the launching. You can leave them like that. That's okay. You know what? They had all the options. ये act जितना complicated लग रहा है ना, उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Because even if one decision would have been different, let's say you would have taken a different tag, or you would have sat on a different chair, you would have taken a different tag, you could have taken a different chair, you could have taken a different envelope. If even one decision would have been different, तो अब जो होने वाला है वो होना impossible होता. This is the launch of Connect, ladies and gentlemen, for each one of you. When I say 3, I want you to open that paper up and show to the audience what's written inside. When I say 3. Thank you. That's 1, 2, 3, now. Where's the tag? We'll take it later. Thank you so much. And as he is the Chief Operating Officer of Connect, and along with him, I would like to invite the co-founder. Well, he is MBA in marketing, an excellent creative innovator who has been working in the field of designing and developing products for over a decade. Yeah, he is our product guy, technically. Put your hands together for Ashish, ladies and gentlemen. Well, a round of applause needs to be lighter. This is a really young, dynamic, I really like to call them the dynamic duo over here. This is amazingly young people. Like, हम तो figure out कर रहे कि life में करना क्या है, and they are like really launching their own brands. So, very nice. Well, these are your mic. That's your mic. I have some really interesting questions for you before, the media asks you some question. My very personal question first over here is like, Like we are very young people over here. You know, the country is filled up with people coming up with startups and so many new things. But you have made a mark. Like you're launching your own brand with your own, you know, product lineup, which is so amazing. Tell us your story. How did Connect happen? How did you guys? क्या मतलब इतना serious life में मतलब हम मस्ती धमाल कर रहे हैं आप लोग product launch कर रहे हो? What is even happening?
To talk about our story, Connect as a brand. So it's not been emerged or it's not been came to mind like, okay, we'll do some other brand, we do one more product, it's not there in the market, we'll identify the market problems. It's nothing like that. It's like when I, as a personal user, started looking for the mobile accessories or the IT peripherals as such, I couldn't find a brand that has style to it. I couldn't find a brand that has every product that has an attitude to it.
True.
So somebody will have some products, someone will have an earphone, someone will have a power bank, but as a brand that has everything. So I was there across Europe, Australia, but I couldn't find one product that has everything in it. So we thought, why can't we start up something of this kind? So people will have everything at a place.
Sure.
So it's not there been across the world where I saw for that matter. So then I thought, so Ashish being a friend of mine who is in this line of business for quite some time, I thought, Ashish, this is my vision. I want to build a brand that world need to see that. So that has the best line of products that's not been there in a single brand. So then that's how we started, couple of months.
So you guys are friends and you guys met and
We had
made
been,
a company out of it. So you told me, sorry.
Yeah, very much. You know, like we knew each other from quite a long time. And when, you know, like Pradeep proposed that, you know, we should do something like that. And it was like very fancy for me. And the vision was something very special, you know, like getting to global and launching one of the best products which are not available. Or, you know, the products should be available or, you know, they are already available. But then we had a vision where the product should be of an extreme quality.
Okay.
So that is where, and like, you know,
So you guys told me it's a different product. It's something that everything that comes under one brand. But if I have to ask you, what's the USP? As you guys correctly said, there is in the market you see a lot of mobile accessories. You see a lot of other products out there, and you come up with this new brand with a similar line of product. But I'm sure there has to be some USP. How does Connect stand out with other products that are in the market?
see, like, I'll tell you, you know, like how we are going to develop the products. Basically, you know, like every one of you, like go and purchase fans or water filters or heaters. You know, like when you buy them, it's like you forget it for next 5 years or 6 years. But when it comes to mobile phone accessories, you have like, you know, it's just like 6 महीना चलेगा, 1 साल चलेगा, or 2 महीना चलेगा. But we are just, you know, going to change the whole way what the people think about it, and we want to launch products where people buy it and forget it. You buy it for one time, and like, you know, you buy a cable, and we have a cable right now with us which is giving like 2 years of warranty, and which is actually, you know, capable to last for 4 to 5 years.
Wow.
So that is what we are up to, you know, like, and that is with one segment we are going to come up with all the categories with the similar high quality products which will make your life much more easier, and you know, like, that is how.
Excellent. With that, Ashish, you already have a buyer, because whenever I'm buying my products with all my travels, they just like stops working, knocks off, and I think here's my product finally. That's fantastic. So what is, let me talk to you about what's your strategy with the thing. You have an ambassador who's amazing, and I'm sure you have some strategy lined up. So what is it about?
While taking Rohit as the brand ambassador for Connect, it suits more of the brand style. You know, if you see Rohit, when he makes a century, everybody says that it's been dedicated to the country or it's been dedicated to someone. He says that I am dedicating this century for my fallen friend Sudan. I'm very sorry because we made this. We made this to you. So when someone like him, he's so humble outside, when so aggressive on the field. Two different characters. On the profession as Rohit, you can see him going ahead and hitting double centuries as he is as such.
Yes.
But as a person, so we thought he suits better to us, and as a brand, so there is
Also,
no other
what we
option.
liked was, you know, like his young, iconic, you know, like dynamic. What he's having, you know, he's young, and we guys are, you know, like, and that matches our
He has that
personality, that
vibe
matches
that
our brand,
connects.
you know, like.
True. Saying that, I think we should just invite him on stage.
Sure, why not?
Yes.
Like, yeah, sure.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the cricket's double century man, Rohit Sharma. exciting to see the three very young people, you know, making their mark in their own fields. Well, I have this question again with you. Like, I'm very happy that you chose Rohit as the ambassador because I think the vibe really connects, as you guys were saying. Like, it's young, it's energetic, it's for the people. But I would still like to ask, Rohit, how do you feel being associated with the brand and how do you feel about it?
Good afternoon, firstly, and thank you for having me on board. It's a wonderful and, like you said, very youthful and vibrant brand. So makes my job easier to connect with it.
True.
As you know, we know it's called Connect. So, but yes, see, you know, in today's day and age, as we've seen, you know, how youth has taken over our country, and we wanted to keep moving forward and take the country forward. And you know, it's all about you know, connecting dots with each other. And I feel when you are in such a busy schedule and your life is busy, you know, often you tend to forget what you want to do and what you want to achieve in your life. But sir, like obviously I've noticed one thing with my life is, you know, with such a busy schedule, how I can make my life easier, whether it's traveling or whether it's on the field or whether I'm trying to do what I do in my day-to-day life. And I love gadgets, without a doubt. You know, when I was growing up, you know, I always wanted to buy all those gadgets. So it gives me that opportunity now to connect with a brand like that and explore, you know, what exactly it is all about. You know, when you talk about traveling, you know, we cannot travel without our phones.
True.
And you know, we need our phones all the time with us. So you obviously need power bank, you know, to charge your phone all the time.
Absolutely.
And especially me, like, you know, I use my phone on a regular basis. So obviously, not just me, but you know, people
Everybody.
who are here, everyone, you know, that uses their phone in their day on a regular basis. So, you know, it's a perfect blend, and there was no way that I couldn't associate with a brand like that. And whenever I try and associate with a brand, I always see that you know, there has to be a sense of you know, connectivity with the brand. So and for me, this gives me that and to explore what it is all about, and hopefully I can show it to the world and you know, to everyone how Connect can make your life easier.
That's amazing. And listening to you, I totally feel that you're so apt to be connected and be the brand ambassador for Connect. And that's amazing. As you were telling me that, you know, you've grown up and you've been willing that, you know, you should have all the gadgets and you want to buy them all. So I believe you are totally, and we have also got it from our sources before, sutro se pata chala, that you are a very tech savvy person, as you say also over here. So my question would be to you is, if you had to advise Ashish and Pradeep to have one gadget, you know, something that you don't have now, कि ऐसी कोई चीज बन जाए, then it will be like super. What would that be? Anything that comes to your mind?
I would say DRS system,
DRX.
जो हमारे क्रिकेट के रिव्यू सिस्टम में यूज होता है, because we all know it's not 100%, but it's a big challenge, you know, it's a big challenge. But something like that, if we can come up with nothing like it, but I'm really happy with the range of product they already have.
True.
And I'm sure in years to come, it's only going to get better and bigger. And yeah, I mean, it is something. But जो DRS की मैंने बात की, वो तो एक ऐसे ही एक joke जैसा था. But obviously, we know that nothing is perfect, you know, and we always, all of us, you know, strive to get perfect, you know, and I'm sure one day it can happen.
Absolutely. One more thing I'd like to ask you. I think there are many ways that you and the brand Connect, you know, are similar. But there's one thing very interesting. I feel that, so Rohit Sharma, I believe your growth has been rapid. There are a lot of cricketers out there trying to make it big, but you did it. Like, you were out there, you did it. And with your experience, I think in the similar fashion, we have two young men over here trying to make it big in the tech field, where already there are so many, and they've already made a mark for sure by bringing their own brand. But with your experience, what would be your advice to the two people? Like from the experienced cricketer to the young entrepreneurs, what would be your advice, your suggestions to them?
No, firstly, I've not achieved everything yet. There's
Something.
lot more to achieve. And, looking at these two gentlemen sitting next to me, it inspires me because, at that age, to stand up on your own feet and to come up with something like that, it takes a lot of courage, and I always admire people who wants to do and stand up on their own feet and, live their dream. And I'm sure these two guys sitting next to me are living their dream. So is me, wanting to play for my country and doing well for my country. So yes, three of us are on the same boat, and hopefully three of us can reach, where we want to reach, with the help of, with the help and the support of the people. And always see, we all try to achieve what we want to achieve.
Absolutely.
But of course, you need support, of the people around you, which can make your dream and where you want to reach a little easier.
All our wishes are with the three of you. I think that answer deserves a really nice round of applause. And when you say playing for the country, just yesterday we had Mr. Ajit Wadekar passed away, and I think he was one of the finest captain that the Indian cricket has seen. I think as we all are over here today, I think it's necessary and it's important that we observe a 1 minute silence in his honor. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pradeep, I'd like to ask you. We are talking about the products and everything. My first question, where would I get these products? And how soon will I get them?
From 20th of this month,
You can take that mic.
yeah, from 20th of this month, all Connect products will be available across all leading e-commerce portals, and we will be launching on 5,000 stores as a first phase
Okay.
from this. So it will be available across all the metros. You can find it in Bombay, everywhere.
Everywhere. But as I told you earlier, I am a magician, so I would love to go to the store and buy the product. But why not? Look, I am a magician over here. We have a cricketer over there. Why would I like to, pop it up somewhere and you can probably catch it in some way? Yeah, can I have you ahead? Ow.
Requesting the media to kindly give your name, the name of the publication, and ask the question. We would first begin with the questions from the business and the technology media, and we then move on to the sports questions. So request the media to kindly follow the instructions and begin with the business and the advertising and marketing questions.
This mic.
Kindly raise your hands so that the mic can come across to you.
Hi, it's Santosh from Indian Television. So my question is for both of you, Pradeep and Ashish. So you mentioned that the first phase will be in metros. So are you also looking at targeting the regional or the rural audience for this, or is it only going to remain metro for you? Thank you.
It's not just metros. Sorry, I maybe communicated a little wrong. We start with 5,000 stores across India. So major metros and district headquarters are the first phase. And going forward, tier 2, tier 3 cities will also come in place.
Sorry. So I have another question. What will be the price point? Is it the mid-range, is it the premium, or is it like low-end?
To start off with, it's mid-range. So some of the products, for example, power banks, earphones are starting with the mid-range. But it's a blend of mid and premium, I can say. Because if you see the car stands and all, it's a premium product.
We are trying to get the innovation which is not available, and like we are trying to innovate and try to develop the products which, you know, like people aspire, or we just think upon a lot of times, you know, I wish we had something like that. So we are working on that, and you know, like you always know technology is, but still we'll try to make it the best, you know, like most affordable brand, not affordable, but you people, you love to use the products.
Can I see some more hands, please? Again, we have advertising, marketing, and business-led questions.
Hi, this is Amay here from the Indian Express. I just want to know if the warranty on all product lines is 2 years or it varies.
It varies from product to product. Let's say the cables which Ashish stated. So we are trying to innovate and get best quality across the range. So to give an answer, the aim for my power bank segment is to not make power banks after 2020. Is to get the battery cells so your phone doesn't require a power bank at all. So we're trying to innovate on each and every product. So going down the line, as Ashish said, once you buy it and you forget it, until unless you lost it, this is going to be there for with you.
Over the downline, we are also planning to have we are actually having a strong R&D team right now, and we are going to spend in R&D, which like, you know, hardly people do. And we are going to spend money on R&D, where we also working on graphene cells, batteries, where, you know, like they get charged within 15 minutes and they last up to a week time. So those products lineups you can see in coming days.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
And one question for Rohit. Are you heading to England anytime soon?
Sorry?
Are you heading to England anytime soon?
Heading to England?
Yeah, are you?
I don't know. I don't know as of now.
Okay. Hope so.
We have the sports questions coming up very soon, but before that, we would like to have some more questions on the business front, on the strategy front.
Hello, this is Aishwarya from Z News. I wanted to ask, what are your target audience, and also how your product is different from the another brands and all?
Target audience, like us, young.
Okay.
So how are we different from the other brand is like, so we're trying to achieve something others are not having. Let's say, to take a small example, my cable can lift a weight of around 50 kgs. Okay. A data cable, so that's the strong, that's the USP. So we just start to give.
We are not going specific as in target audience. Each one of us is target. Each one of us use accessories. Each one of us are having mobile phones. So, you know, like each one of, we are not going to be, you know, like price sensitive or something. You know, like we want to make life much more easier. It's not about, you know, launching a product which is what, 50 rupees or, you know, 5,000 rupees. But end of the day, that product has to be purposeful. And as I mentioned, we are working on developing products which you buy, and you know, you don't need to look behind that. Okay, you just need to go and buy them again and again. We are actually looking forward to break the chain.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just one last question. So, you are a fairly new company. You have Rohit on board as the ambassador. How will you advertise and market the product in the market? Will you also be launching a new campaign for this, a TVC or something?
Of course, we'll plan a TVC going ahead. So, to start with, we're going to use BTL and digital as the main platforms to market our products.
Any more questions? Can we move to sports now? Yeah. Please introduce yourself, your publication.
All the best.
Hi Rohit, Amol from The Hindu. Today being a sad day for Indian cricket, can you just recall the memories of yours with the great man?
Well, I can't hear you.
Today being the sad day for Indian cricket, can you recall some of your memories, your personal interactions with Mr. Wadekar?
Yeah, I was fortunate to have few interaction with Wadekar sir when I was playing for Mumbai at Wankhede. He happened to be there, and he was watching one of the Ranji Trophy games that we were playing. I think it was 2015, if I'm not wrong, or 2014. And he advised me about what he thought of me, and I think the advice that he gave me was quite useful. I tried to understand where he was coming from and what he was trying to tell me. Unfortunately, I've not seen him play, but I've always heard so many things about him from my teammates and former teammates, and they only have good things to talk about him. And being from Mumbai, he had such a he's created such a legacy around Mumbai cricket and Indian cricket. That's something for people like me to look forward to and carry that legacy forward with Mumbai cricket and Indian cricket. But yeah, generally the advice that he gave me was for what he saw of me when I was playing, and he asked me to make some changes, which I tried and did, and it helped. So, and basically it was a very little conversation that I had with him, and I met him at BCCI awards and all that for numbers of occasion.
Any other question?
Hello Rohit, I am from Mumbai Mirror. I want to ask you, what is the kind of match time or the amount of matches you would play to prepare for a difficult series like the one against England or even against Australia? What are the kind of matches that usually help you?
See, the kind of matches, like you have to prepare for the conditions, and the best preparation you can have is by going in that particular country and playing as many practice games, as many net sessions as possible. But it cannot happen because of the games that we play. We hardly get few days in between to prepare for the next series. But whatever time you get, whether it's in Bombay or Australia or England or anywhere, you try and prepare the conditions accordingly. Where suppose if you're going to Australia, you try and play on bouncy pitches. The ball doesn't swing there much as compared to England, but the ball bounces a lot compared to England. So you rather use a plastic ball and practice on cement pitches where the ball goes a little faster. I've grown up playing on cement pitches as a kid, so that is something that I would go back to. And in Bombay, there are few facilities that we have. We try and prepare according to that. The best, but again, having said all of it, I think the best preparation you can have is by going in that particular country and spending as much time as possible and giving yourself the best chance to prepare in that particular country, because no preparation will do justice as to what you will get in that particular country. Let's say, for example, if you're playing in Australia, you have to prepare in Australia because the conditions and the heat factor and the pitches will be very similar to what you will be playing in a test match.
Anyone else?
Hi, my name is Ravi Diamla. I want to have a question with Pradeep and Ashish. And is Connect brand really associated with Make in India campaign as well?
Yes.
At this point of time, we are not making our products directly. We are making from the established factories in India. But going forward, we will make sure all the products will get it made in India only.
Yeah. Thanks, Ravi.
Hi Rohit, this is Bihan from Hindustan Times. Being 2-0 down in the series, do you see the team having the ability to come back and probably save the series?
Yeah, of course. See, we have to believe that we can do it. Other than that, it's not going to be that easy. We have to believe, and we have done it. In South Africa, we lost the first 2 test matches, and then we bounced back in Johannesburg and won that test match. So I think we can do it. It's not that we can't. And we won the test match. We have won test matches in England before. So we just need to get in that mindset, how we won the test matches in England, and we have to play like that. I think, it'll be a huge challenge because England at home is a very dangerous team. But we've got everything. We've got great batting lineup. We've got superb bowling attack. So I don't see any reason why we can't do it. We just have to believe in ourselves, in each other, in our teammates. What has happened has happened. We can't change that. We have to move forward. There are still 3 test matches to go, and I think it can definitely turn around if we have belief that we can do it.
Hello Rohit, I'm Prathamesh from Cafe Chronicle. I just wanted to ask that why don't you try opening in Test cricket?
Why don't I try?
Yeah.
I mean, see, I've never been offered yet, but I'm open to anything as whatever the team management wants. I never thought I'll be an opener in ODI cricket when I started playing or when I was playing for India. It happened along the way. So, I keep my options open. No options for me is shut. So if the opportunity comes, I will take it.
Hi Rohit, one more question. Kohli has captained India in 37 tests so far, and all 37 teams have been different. You being part of that setup, staying on the edge always, because no one's guaranteed of the spot. Does it help in bringing out a player's best?
See, as a player, nobody would want to be in that situation where if you don't perform, you'll be out of the team. As a player, nobody wants that. But again, the captain and the coach, they are under tremendous pressure to, give out the best every time. So whatever changes they make, it is in the best interest of the team. And whatever decisions they make, the team members support and team members stand by that decision. Nobody gets upset. Of course, you get upset of missing out, but nobody is frustrated. Rather, I would say that nobody is frustrated. They understand, the decisions that has been made. It's in the best interest of the team, and whatever the team needs at that point, they make that decision. And as a player, I've been a captain for some of the teams, and I know how it is to leave some of the players out. And the last thing you want is players not standing by your side. And as a player in the Indian team, whenever the captain or the coach makes those decisions, I want to stand by their side and tell them that whatever decisions you make, we stand by your side, and we trust in your decisions. Because at the end of the day, we all are trying to have this, trying and moving towards the same goal, which is going and winning games and making our country proud. But there will be only, as we know, only 11 players can play, and rest of the guys will miss out. But for the guys who miss out, the best thing you can do is just go back to the drawing board, train, get better, and come back harder. Whenever you get an opportunity, you try and make the most of it, because no door is shut for anyone. So I believe in that, and I'm sure rest of the guys believe in that as well. Whenever there is an opportunity, you be ready for it. There's no way that you can always be out of the team. You always have to give yourself the best chance whenever you get an opportunity, and whenever the opportunity arises, you have to be ready.
We have the last question coming up now. 2 more questions.
Hi Rohit, this is Shayon from the Sports Star. I just wanted to know that you just said you just said that there's every chance of bouncing back in the series. Now, when you look back at the last 2 matches, what do you think could have been done differently, maybe the batsman or something like?
See, the 2 games I didn't get to watch a lot. I watched only highlights. But see, the Lord's Test match, as the captain rightly said, we were outplayed by the opposition. You know, they were good in all the departments. They batted well, they bowled well, they kept testing us. But I thought, Birmingham Test match was something that we could have pulled off. It was a very close Test match. We lost by 30 odd runs, I think, if I'm not wrong. But again, I know all the 11 members in the squad, nobody wants to lose. I'm sure they must have been hurt by that result. They gave everything they could, but sometimes it doesn't come off. You try your best, you try and give your everything, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. But again, I don't think there's anything that we could have done, because I felt from whatever I saw, they tried everything. They bowled really well. They came back into the game with their bowling. But our batting was something which let us down. But again, those guys, those 7-8 batters that we have, they have done well in England before, and they have proved themselves. So 1 or 2 Test matches or 3 or 4 innings will not determine what kind of players they are. I think they've done it in the past in the countries, and we just got to believe in them and trust that they can pull out the performances that all of us are expecting. And it can happen. It can happen. There's no way it cannot happen, because they've done it in the past. So why not from here on now?
Rohit, Rohan from Times of India. Just a kind of follow-up question to that. So based on what you have got to see, what in particular maybe you've observed of the batsman struggles, and is it possible mid-series to kind of, make adjustments and, execute those?
See, it's very tough to do changes during the tournament. Whatever changes you got to do at the start, because trying to change a whole lot during the series will not be a great idea. You can do minor changes, but you cannot do a whole lot. So I think what we can do is every batsman in the squad, they know their strength and they know their weaknesses. All they can do is just go back to it, try and strengthen it. We always know the England bowlers are more of a swing bowlers, so all we can do is focus on that aspect of the game, and it is up to individuals how they want to prepare and how they want to counter the swing bowling, because all the bowlers in the England team, they're hitting between 80 to 85 miles and trying to swing the ball rather than bowling fast and bouncers and all that. So they're trying to swing the ball and try and get us out. So I think I'm sure the batsmen back there know about it and they're working hard towards it. So I hope this is the Test match. They can come back and put their bowlers under pressure, because I want to see that if we can try and put them under pressure, because I've seen it in the past when put under pressure, not most of the teams respond well. So I want to see that from our batting lineup. If we can do that, nothing like it.
We have a last question coming up. We then move on to a photo op with the products.
Hello Rohit Bhai, this is Abhishek. Actually, I just want to ask you a question like, what do you think so that we should go with a proper 7 batsmen rather than going with Hardik Pandya as an all-rounder who is hardly getting 7 to 10 overs? I'm not doubting his ability, but what's your opinion on that as Rohit Sharma, not as a cricketer, but Rohit Sharma as a person? What's your opinion? And second question is that what message you want to give to your fans? Because your fans, after the 2 matches, they are like, we want Rohit Sharma back. And I personally also want you to be back in the Test cricket, because that's the harder format and you also like to play Test cricket a lot. So what special message you want to give to your fans regarding the telling that you should be in the test match?
See,
Just want the first answer like properly. Like, what do you think about the 7 proper
the
batsmen?
sad part is neither I or my fans can bring me back into the team. It's the selectors and the coaches and the captain, they can bring back me. They can bring me back into the squad. So all I would say, all I would tell them is, support the team, who's trying to fight it out there in England. Because I know how it is when you're losing, and the last thing all of us can do is just, fire them or criticize them and things like that. All I would request everyone, not my fans, but everyone, is to just back the team and just stand by their side, because we've done great things in the past, so I just want to see that coming out from the fans. I know they're a little disappointed with the result, but it can happen. It has happened when England came here. We beat them 4-0, and I could see all our fans were very happy. But it's the same that is happening there. So this is the time for us to stand by their side and support. As far as your second question, see, I want to be part of that team, but again, like I said, it's not in my hands. I have to wait for the opportunity, and whenever it comes, I have to be ready for it. To be ready, I'm doing everything I can here, training, doing as much as possible to give myself the best chance when the opportunity comes there. And sorry, about playing with 7 batsmen or 6 batsmen, see, it depends entirely on the pitch that we are going to play now in Trent Bridge. It completely will depend on the captain, what he is comfortable with. Because at the end of the day, because I've been a captain of some of the teams, depending on the conditions, I like to go with my, playing 11. If the pitch has something in it, I would like to go with 6-7 batsmen. If there's nothing, I would like to strengthen my bowling to make sure that my bowlers put pressure on the batsmen. So it completely depends on the pitch that they will be playing on, and what the captain is comfortable with on the field. So I'm sure, Virat himself said that there was a little mistake playing 2 spinners, but I'm sure those things happen when you're captain, because there's so much that is going on and so much you have to think about. But I'm sure they must have figured out what they need going into this game, and depending on the pitch that has been offered, they'll try and make the best 11.
Hi, my question is directed at you, Rohit. Case in point, PepsiCo. Then he later decided that he will not endorse brands which are unhealthy for the end consumer. How conscious are you when you select a brand, or what's your thought process when you select a brand?
No, absolutely. I think it's the most important thing, because, being the face of the brand, this is what you're selling. And I don't want to be getting involved in something which I don't use it myself. The 2 things that I'm wearing now, my shoe and my watch, is something that I endorse. And I genuinely believe in having that connect with the brand. If there's no connect, there's no point selling the fake products to the people or the fake ideas to the people, because I'm not here for anything else but to make sure that whatever I do, I make sure that people experience it, because I myself is trying to do that. And a lot of the brands that I am associated with, they are genuinely been used and experienced by me, and that's probably the reason I'm standing in front of that brand. And if I don't see any connect, or if there's no camaraderie between the brand and myself, then I won't do it. But whatever I do, I try and make sure that there is some sort of strong connection between the 2, and that's how I go forward.
Hello, hi Rohit here. Oh yeah, Rohit, we missed you on England tour. Just my question is, as a player, India lost 2 matches, and what is going back of your mind, because you're not a part of this squad?
My back of my mind is to make sure that, not to make sure, but I hope that India wins the next test match. And and the fourth and the fifth test match. You know, that's all I'm thinking right now, because it's not easy to lose games and come back home, losing the series. And I'm sure even the players in England are thinking the same. They want to win the games.
We have a quick photo opportunity now, so requesting our camera people to kindly be ready here.
Thank you for all those questions, and rightly said by Rohit. Connect is important, and I think it should be the same for all of us. I think the conversation was not just informative, it was very inspiring, telling us about teamwork and leadership and a lot of other things. So thank you so much. And I think there should be a round of applause for the three young, dynamic gentlemen over here, with the amazing things that they are doing and bringing pride to all of us. And we wish you all the best for all the projects, and especially for Connect. And I'm sure when three such people are associated with the brand, it has to do really good. And we look forward to many more things coming up. Can I request all three of you to come forward and for the pictures with the product?